In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to convert timestamps to MMDDYYYY in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever imported data and ended up with long timestamps like 2025, 0314, 092718, but you only want to see the date, this quick formatting trick will keep your data intact while showing just the month, day, and year. We're working in the desktop version of Google Sheets, and the goal is to change how the date displays, not the underlying value. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the cells that contain the timestamps you want to format. You can drag to highlight a range, click the column letter to select an entire column, or use Shift-click to grab a large block. If you plan to use this format going forward, selecting the whole column is a great idea, so any new entries match automatically. Next, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, hover over Number and choose Custom Date and Time. This opens a window where you can design exactly how your dates appear. You might see preset options like short or long date, but we're going to create a specific US-style format. In the Custom Format box, type MMDDYYY. Use capital M for month, capital D for day, and capital Y for year. The slashes are important, and you don't need to add anything else. As you type, you'll typically see a small preview that reflects how the selected cells will look. If that preview shows a clean date without the time, you're set. Click Apply to save the format. Instantly, your timestamps will display as dates only, like 03/14/2025, while still storing the original time information behind the scenes. That means calculations, sorting by date, and other functions will continue to work properly. You've just changed how the values appear. Take a quick look through your sheet to confirm everything looks right. If some cells didn't change, they may be stored as text rather than actual dates. In that case, try re-entering one of those values so Sheets recognizes it as a date time, then reapply the format. Also keep in mind that your spreadsheet's locale influences default date styles, but using a custom format overrides that for the selected cells. And that's it. You opened your sheet, selected the timestamp cells, went to Format, chose Number, picked Custom Date and Time, typed MMDDYYY, and applied it. Your data now displays clean, consistent dates without altering the underlying values. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your neatly formatted Google Sheet.